310.1.
Higher.
310.25.
Higher.
310.10.
Higher.
310.30.
So the question is to become completely well again after an illness or injury. Another term for to get better or get well. To become completely well again after an illness or injury. Another term.
Rest.
Ako ya?
Kisa man?
Ako man, ako pa.
Ala, Pajibor. Ala, nagano.
Ay, ako'y makana di ka makatag.
Gitan, guess the price. Guess the price.
Kanang 81.
Correct! Ah!
Ay, hawak lala.
Sige, the question is, what do you call when you suggest that to suggest that someone or something would be good or suitable for a particular job or purpose, or to suggest that a particular action should be done? Letter R. You are or you are. 5 4
Request.
Wrong.
Balik ang question. Wa pa na eh. Ano pa ka?
To suggest that someone or something would be good or suitable for a particular job or purpose, or to suggest that a particular action should be done. Anong suggest ka? 5
Kuan.
4 3
Sige.
2
Reinvest. Recommend.
Correct.
Hoy, tanan.
Guess the price.
320.25.
Wrong.
260.
Wrong.
9.8.
700.1.
Mahal, wrong. Tag 100 ang kilo.
300 point.
Oh, 300 point.
300.
5.
305.
Wrong.
350.
400.
Ha?
25.
Wrong.
Ay, boom. Ikaw nagpalit. 320.80.
Wrong.
320.61.
Wrong. Ikaw first din lang, no?
320.69.
Ay, sorry pila to?
69.
Is that 3?
Ah,
320.
320.69.
Lower.
Ah!
320.50.
Wrong.
Ay, awa, no. Ay, isa.
Repeat sa kwan.
320.24.
Lower.
Lower gapon.
310.1.
Higher.
300.20.
Higher! 300 to na ito yan!
300.20. Sakto na tayo.
Sakto na to eh.
310.25.
Higher.
Law.
315.
Lower.
310.1%.
Higher. 1% ang lakas.
Wala naman ka dihawakin.
Sige,
318.
Lower.
Lower na sa 15.
Lower days.
Sige, lower sa 15. Sige,
Lower sa 15. 314.
Lower.
13.
Ako,
311.50.
lower.
310.10.
Higher.
Kalima naman katuyo.
Bahala mo diya.
310.11.
Higher.
312.11.
Wrong. Ay, wrong. Lower.
310.9.
Higher.
Hello!
310.90.
Lower.
310.09.
Higher. Dua na Dexter.
310.11.
10.
Higher.
310.15.
Higher.
310.15.
Higher. Oh, sorry. Sige.
310.18.
Higher.
310.20.
Higher.
310.22.
Higher.
310.50.
Lower.
Haha! 310.30.
Correct, correct. So the question is,
Ay, ito na, layo eh. Atras eh.
di mo nakatubag. Lagi na, di mo nakatubag.
Asa ito na.
So the question is to become completely well again after an illness or injury. Another term for to get better or get well. To become completely well again after an illness or injury. Another term.
Rest.
Sige.
Balik ka.
Usa man, uy, usa man, uy. Nausa na.
Ako ya?
Kisa man.
Ako pa man, ako pa siya ni Utlom.
Okay sa man yun.
Ako pa man ya.
Okay.
Di ba ikaw?
Ako lang yung sarang Nixter. Ako pa. Sarang Nixter.
Tama mo na si Maki.
Ha? Umako ni sapaw.
Sakto man. Ikaw may sapaw.
Sige, tibay.
Sige, kuno
Ay,
usap
question,
niya.
ay, question.
R.
R. To become completely well again after an illness or injury. Another term for to get better or get well.
Recovery.
Let's pansit! Let's pansit!
Bro na si Maki. Recover.
Alam pa tayo, ito na.